and today we're going to be looking at some advanced UML class modeling techniques.
The thing I want to do is to look at this element in the context of a particular project. So we've done this work, we've added all these things, but what would it actually mean, or how would it help us during a project to have this information? Well, let's look at the project browser and let's create another diagram here, and we'll call it a class diagram. So class model development, and we'll go create diagram. We get ourselves another diagram, and let's make this diagram a Kanban diagram. So we right mouse click there and we can choose Kanban, and what we've got is a dialog box that pops up. What we can do is we can bind the Kanban diagram to a particular part of the elements in the repository. So let's bind it to status, and we'll say that what we want to do in the Kanban diagram is bind it to status, and we'll say fill from binding. So now we've got all of the statuses that are in the system: approved, implemented, in progress, proposed, all sorts of other things that we can do there. And let's just go okay to that for the moment. If we put an element on to the diagram, let's just choose our parking meter element and drop that onto the diagram. Now that goes on there, and let's just enable our Kanban. So without Kanban enabled, we'll put that one on, and we'll say okay to that. We can now just find this in all diagrams now and say, look, we want to find out some more information about it, and we can say, look, it's in a whole lot of different diagrams.